Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious keto strawberry quick bread. I absolutely love quick breads. Banana quick bread. Yes, you can make banana bread keto. I have a recipe on my website. Blueberry quick bread, pumpkin, but today we're going to make strawberry and it is so easy. Let's get to it. Okay, for starters, I have my loaf pan here. This is an 8x4 loaf pan. We've already sprayed it with cooking spray. If you want it to be able to release from the pan, then you're probably going to want to spray it with some Baker's Joy. I love that stuff. We've got 2 cups of almond flour in our bowl. So now we're going to just mix everything up and put it in the loaf pan and then cook it in the oven. I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/2 cup of granulated sweetener, and a teaspoon of baking soda. That's our dry ingredients. I'm gonna give them a quick mix, get them all mixed up nicely. Now we've got 2 large beaten eggs, 1/4 cup of melted butter. So let's get all of this mixed up. And then we can add in the strawberries. This is a thick batter. You might think, oh my gosh, it's not gonna be enough liquid, but it is, I promise you. It's going to come together just like that. So now we've got 1 cup of chopped fresh strawberries. You could use frozen. I don't see why that wouldn't work. I haven't tried it, but I mean, it should work. So that's looking amazing. Got our strawberries folded in. So now we can put this batter in our loaf pan. I'm gonna pour it right in. And then we're going to use our spatula and spread it in our loaf pan in an even layer. Okay, this is ready for the oven. We're gonna bake it in a 350-degree oven. It's gonna bake for about 40 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Okay, our strawberry bread is ready and it looks amazing. See if I can get a piece out without smushing it. Ooh, it's so good. Let's get a fork and get a bite. It is, it's like so moist and like caramely. It's just so good. Just look at that. Look at that. It's a perfect crumb. Just looks so good. Guys, be sure you check out this recipe and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.